Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS layouts. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS float property along with the box sizing property in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I want you to know that this box sizing property is very useful whenever you want to control your boxes if you want it to make sense in some other way around. The use case of this is that you can easily create 3 floating boxes side by side. However, when you add something that enlarges the width of each boxes, e.g. like padding or borders, the box will break. The box sizing property allows us to include the padding and border in the boxes, total width and height, making sure that the padding stays inside of the box and that it does not break. You can read more about CSS box sizing property in our CSS box sizing chapter, but right here also I'm going to be exploring it for you guys, the use case, because it's very important when you understand the use case of all these properties, because the use case is the most things you have to know about it. So I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks about this box sizing property. Please, I don't want this tutorial to get too long and I don't want it too rough. Please, let's meet in the next tutorial. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.